Hi guys! Welcome sa Asip9. In this video ay tutuloy na yung series natin on permutation and combination. Sa video na to ay magsisolve tayo ng problems on fundamental counting principle. Now, sabi sa fundamental counting principle, if there are m ways of doing something and n ways of doing something after that, then there are m times n ways to perform both these actions. Now, suppose we have two tasks, no? And yung first task natin ay there are 4 ways of doing it. And yung second task natin ay there are 3 ways of doing it. Then, if we do the first task and then the second task, there are 4 times 3, which is equal to 12 ways of doing both these tasks or action. Alright, so again, merong mas detalye na explanation yan sa previous video. I suggest na panoorin nyo yan kung hindi nyo masyadong naintindihan ito. So for the first problem, we have a die is rolled and a coin is tossed. How many outcomes are possible? A die, by the way, is the singular form of dice. No? So sa first task natin, ilan yung mga possible numbers na pwedeng lumabas pag tinos natin yung isang die? 6, di ba? So pwedeng 1, pwedeng 2, pwedeng 3, pwedeng 4, pwedeng 5, pwedeng 6. Of course, when I say numbers, yan yung number of circles doon sa face ng die. What about a coin? Pag nagtoss ako ng coin, ilan yung pwedeng lumabas? 2, no? It's either head or tail. Well, sa atin, usually, tinatawag natin yan na tao ibon, no? Pero sa mga textbooks, sa English textbooks, ang tawag natin ay head and tail. So by the fundamental counting principle, there are 6 times 2 possible outcomes. So there are 12 outcomes. Now, hindi na ito kailangan, pero gusto ko ipakita sa inyo yung mga outcomes. No? For the die, we have 6 possible outcomes, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Tapos sa coin, pwedeng head and tail. So, tail, head,
tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head.
So, yung mga outcomes ay 1T, 1H,
2T, 2H, 3T, 3H, 4T, 4H, 5T, 5H, 6T, 6H.
Ito yung 12 na sinasabi natin. Okay? So, of course, pinakita ko lang yan sa inyo, pero hindi nyo na kailangang ilista ito, no? Pag nakuha nyo yung 12, yun na yung sagot. Our next problem, how many license plates can be formed using 3 letters followed by 4 numbers? So, meron tayong 3 letters followed by 4 numbers. Wala naman sinabing restriction, no? So, sa letters, ibig sabihin, we can choose any letter. And there are how many letters in the English alphabet? 26, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, sa unang task, we can choose any of the 26 letters. Pwedeng A, pwedeng B, pwedeng C, and so on. Pwedeng Z. What about sa pangalawang letter? Pwede pa rin, 26 pa rin, di ba? Sa susunod, 26 pa rin. What about sa numbers? Ilan yung possible choices natin? 4 numbers means 4 digits ito, no? So, sa first digit, ilan ang choices natin? So, meron tayong 10. Ano yung 10 na yun? Any of the digits from 0 to 9, di ba? Ganon din sa pangalawa. Ganon din sa pangatlo. At ganon din sa pang-apat. So, pag minultiply natin yan yung number of plate numbers na pwede nating gawin. So, that is 26 cubed times 10 to the 4th. Hey Siri, what's 26 cubed times 10 to the 4th?
The answer is 175,760,000.
So, sabi ni Siri, 175,760,000. Now, let's proceed to the next problem. Coin is flipped 3 times and the resulting sequence of heads and tails is recorded. How many such sequences are possible? 3 times finlip, no? So 1, 2, 3. Ano ang possible outcome nung unang flip natin? Pwedeng dalawa, di ba? Head or tail. Kano din dito? Head or tail din. Head or tail din sa pangatlong flip. Now, by the fundamental counting principle, there are 2 times 2 times 2. 8 possible sequences. Yung sequences na sinasabi niya, yung head, head, tail, 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 head, yun yung sinasabi niya, di ba? So, alam na natin na there are 8. We can list or we can again create a tree diagram, no? So, we can start from here. Minsan nilalagyan nila yan ng start, no? Tapos sa unang flip, meron kang head tsaka tail, no? Sa pangalawang flip, meron ka ulit either head or tail. At sa pangatlong flip, you still have head or tail. So this is the first flip, this is the second flip, and this is the third flip. First, second, and third. Kung yung first flip ko, nakuha ko ng head, second flip is head, and third flip is head, then I have head, head, head. Pero pag yung third flip ko, nakuha ko yung tail, that's head, head, tail. So ito naman, from here is
Head, tail, head. Ito naman ay head, tail, tail. This is tail, head, head. This is tail, head, tail. This is tail, tail, head. Tsaka this is tail, tail, tail.
now for each of these sequence, no, connected yan, no? Kumari saan siya nakakonect? Tail, di ba? Ito yung dulo niyan. Tapos nakakonect din siya sa tail dito using this branch and nakakonect din siya dito. So head, tail, tail. Okay, ito yan. And there are 8 of them, no? Which is the same as the answer here using the fundamental counting principle. So sa mga susunod na problems, hindi na tayo mag-tree diagram, no? Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo sa tatlong problems na ito na nag-work yung fundamental counting principle, no? Alright, so maraming salamat, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel, bring your friends, like our videos, and I will see you in the next tutorial.